Hi friends, Accenture is hiring for System and Application Service Associate, and Discovery, PayPal and Dell. These three companies are hiring for software engineer. So in this video we will see how to apply for these job roles and location, qualification, batch, salary and experiences. This all details of every particular job role as based on the company. So let us get into the video. And first company is Dell Technologies. Dell Technologies is hiring for software engineer. The location is at Bangalore. Qualification required for the candidate to apply this job role is any graduate or postgraduate can apply for this. And experience needed to apply this job role is 0 to 2 years. And batch to apply is 2020 and 2021. Minimum salary expected is 6.5 lakhs per annum. If you are interested for this job role, then go through the link in the description. And before applying for this job role, please check the key responsibilities and essential requirements once again. And then if you okay for this, then apply by clicking on the apply button. And coming to the Accenture, Accenture is hiring for System and Application Service Associate. For this, the qualification required for a candidate is BSc, BCA, BA, BCom and BBA. And batches are 2020 and 2021. And salary is up to 4 lakhs per annum. So if anyone interested for this Accenture job role, you can apply by clicking the link in the description. After clicking, the page will appears like this, and you have to fill all the details, personal details, education details, all the details. Then click on the submit to apply for this job role. Next one is PayPal. PayPal is hiring for software engineer. Location is at Hyderabad, Telangana. And qualification, any graduate can apply for this job role, and year experience is 0 or 1 years. And salary is minimum 8 lakhs per annum. If you are interested for this job role, then go through the link in the description. After clicking on the link, the page will appears like this official page of the PayPal. And here responsibilities and job description, all the details are there. You can check before applying. After checking all the details and requirements, then you can, if you okay for this job role, then click on the button apply and give all the education details and personal details and resume. Then you can apply for this job role. One is the Discovery. Discovery is hiring the new graduate software engineer. Location is at Bangalore, Pune. And categories are software engineering, and position type is the company full time. And the minimum qualification means minimum basic requirement is 7.5 GPA. Score is required, and the batches are 2022, and qualification is BE, BTech, MCA can apply for this job role. And minimum salary expected is 6 lakhs per annum. So if you are interested for this job role, you can go through the link in the description. After clicking on the link, the page will appears like this. Before applying for this job role, you can check all the qualification details.